Now we're gonna cook sauteed tofu. So here are the ingredients. They are ready now. So we finish the other tofu, and this is only budget meal. It costs 1 tofu 4 pesos. So shout out to Ramsky, shout out po sa'yo. Thank you po sa pag-comment. Galing po kayo sa Iligan City. Thank you po sa pag-comment, and thank you din po sa pag-subscribe at like. Hi guys, we're going to cook now. We're going to saute the ingredients that we have here. So this is the ingredient: the chicken, garlic, onion, tomato, and tofu, and vegetables. And this is the chocnut based on Knorr cubes. And this is the toge. So let's open the stove. Let's put oil in when it's hot and warm. Tapos na. Ang dami. It's many oil. Let's wait until it's warm and hot. I think it's hot because the bubbles. Okay na. Let's cook the garlic until it's crispy brown, so we can put the onion. Let's wait until we have the smell of the aroma. So we can put the onion now. So let's wait until the onion gets cooked and we smell the aroma. Then we can put the chicken cubes. Chicken. So now we're gonna put the chicken. Set aside this spoon or spatula. Ito matalsik eh. Halu-haluin natin until it's cooked and we can put the tomatoes now. Guys, let's put a little bit of patis. Diba?
Ano ba yan? Sorry. Nakakainis ka. Ang daming patis.
Okay lang ba yun?
Mamaya, tikman mo. Pag maalat yan,
Lagyan na lang ng ano. Pampasarap.
sarap.
Ano kasi natapat sa akin? Yan guys, nagbawas ako dahil naparami ko yung patis. Ayan po. Oh. So, crack ba? Tignan natin kung gumagana na. Okay na. Halu-haluin. Ngayon ay susunod na po natin ay ang kamatis. Yan guys, let's put the vegetable, sitaw, and bagu beans, and pepper, and sweet potato, and tingnan mo. Basta, lagay na lang natin.
Basta.
Carrots. So, let's put it now. Lahat na po. Wow guys, ang bango. Grabe. Mura lang to guys. Pwede nyo magugustuhan to ng mga junakis nyo. Pwede to guys. Dahil ako nagugustuhan ko. Ngayon ilagay na, ay mali. Etong toge, mura lang po to, 4 pesos.
Tokwa ang 4 peso.
Tokwa ba?
40 pesos yan.
Wow, ang dami. Ngayon guys, ilalagay na natin yung chocolate. As usual, Knorr cubes.
Chicken cubes.
Chicken cubes pala. Ngayon, magme-melt. Tapon na natin. Paano magme-melt yung yan. Lagay na natin ang main ingredient, tofu. Parang why is it less than the toge? It's many. It's low.
Gusto mo naman maraming sahog eh. Para nga tipid eh. Budget meal nga to eh.
Oo, ano. So guys, antayin natin hanggat maluto. Hi guys, tikman na natin. Ito muna. Oh, yung okay na guys. So ngayon tapos na siya. Masarap at malambot yung tofu. Wag nyo nga lang hipan nyo lang kasi napaso ako ng dila. So patayin na po natin. Oh, videographer. Luto na siya. Pwede na siyang kainin at magugustuhan to ni Lolo.
Ano pa yun?
This
Sarap
is our
naman ng-
neighbor.
Ang sarap naman ng luto ni Gab. Sarap talaga. Sarap talaga.
Sarap
Hindi
yung alam.
hindi totoo yan.
Hindi ba alam, tamang-tama lang.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Thank you, Gab. Thank you.